What's going on YouTube? I know you guys have seen the title, so yes, it's true. Nightmare, the E36, I almost said 46, the E36 is getting some new shoes. He's getting some new shoes.
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
So I'm gonna go buy them real quick. They look much better than the ones that I got on there. I'll probably have to get the center caps tomorrow, but it's getting kind of late right now, so I'm probably just gonna go. Me and Josh are probably gonna go pick them up right now, and then I'll slap them on and show them tomorrow when there's light out. And you know, get my thumbnail and everything, all that other stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go get those now. We're gonna ride out in his truck. He'll be in a little bit, and we're gonna go grab those wheels. I don't want to put those wheels in either of the BMWs because I don't think 4 of them can fit. So stay tuned. All right, we heading out. We about to go get these rims. They keep saying rims, wheels, whatever, same thing. Wheels, because they come with tires too. So they're 16s or whatever. They look decent, I guess. So we're about to go get these now, and I'll show you his car when we get there because he got a pretty nice BMW. So stay tuned for that. All right, we have arrived. And like I said, this dude's got a clean Z4. I'll probably get a couple shots of it, but let's get these wheels. Wide body Z4. Bride seats in it, okay. Aftermarket steering wheel, manual, of course. Yeah, this is nice. Wide body. Yeah, that's a good looking Z4. All right, got the wheels. I'm gonna clean them first because they're a little dirty or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna clean them up first when I get back, and then slap them on tomorrow, and you'll see them tomorrow. All right, new day. Time to get these rims cleaned up. I'll move him out, get the rims put on or whatever. They are over there. Yeah, I'm not about to show it already. Gotta make sure they're clean, make sure they're good. Slap them on, and then you guys get to see what they look like. Short video, nothing too serious. Let's get to it. While doing the spark plugs and stuff, I got bored and decided to paint the valve cover. Some leftover spray paint that I had, so that's looking nice. But onto the wheels. All right, well, they are cleaned up now, so I think you guys waited long enough to see them. So these are the wheels that I got for the E36. Got a set of OEM style 29 16-inch wheels for him. I still need to get the center caps because dude was acting kind of weird for selling them. Not the dude that I bought the wheels from, but the dude that was selling the center caps, he was acting weird. So these are going on. nightmare. So get a good look of how it looks now. We are done. I'll let you guys see it because it's gonna need a little bit of fender rolling. Front ones look all right, but the back ones are definitely gonna need some rolling. But obviously they're stationary, so I don't really worry about that too much. But in all, I like how it came out. These look good. This car had like 7 feet of spacers on it, so they're all gone now. Had some wheel locks and everything that were on the E92, so I put those on there. I'll get the center caps eventually, but yeah, that's about it. All right, that is gonna be the end of this video, this little vlog for the wheels, the new shoes that I slapped on this thing. Hope you liked it. Comment down below what you think of these wheels. I like them. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Like, subscribe, comment, notifications. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.